This is the 2022 Terra Fruitus Farm Tour. We're in the dining hall yard right now. There's the dining hall. And yeah, let's go look at some trees. So just above the row of bananas, behind the dining hall, we have these two guava trees. Now these are now grafted with Ruby Supreme. So that was a failed fruit, but I think I see a good one here. Yeah, so in theory, these don't have worms. In practice, it probably has a few. There's an ant. Okay, moving on. There is this Sapodia tree right here. This is maybe the most exciting thing on the tour, so I don't know why we started with this. There's our first Sapodia fruit. Here we have a nice big mame tree. And we've got our finger limes here. We do get fruits from these, but not many. So I don't know if we should be doing something to them to help them fruit. They need to be pruned more. Not sure. And there's some random pineapples in there. And over here, there is this Lychee, which I swear it's been the same size for the last 3 or 4 years, but I don't know, nice thick base. So maybe it is growing. People keep trying to air layer it. Lychee does not air layer, so don't do that if you have a Lychee tree. Have some Rollinia up here, more Rollinia. These trees are relatively new, so it's nice to see how big they are. Here we have, I think, Jaboticaba. Yes, looks like Jaboticaba. Yeah. We've got some jackfruit here. You can see there's a bunch of jackfruit trees around here. Do I remember all the names? No, I think that one over there is Zach. And the other ones, I do not remember the names, I think. But we've had fruits from most of these trees. I think not that one. These big ones around here. We've had fruits from, there's a guava tree. We can see it from here, but not very clearly. It's like there. That's also Ruby Supreme grafted. And we've got a nice Rollinia tree here with fruits on. Here we have a Bell Star fruit tree. Currently no fruits on it, but it has been producing very well this year. It's just taking a break. And just over here, we have one of our Monstera deliciosas. This one's a little bit overgrown here, but seems pretty happy anyway. This used to be water spinach. It's gone. And coming up here we have Surname Cherry, and maybe you can even see that there are some fruits on it. Where is there a fruit that doesn't look bad? That one looks okay. So these have been producing very well, given that they are so young. And then we have blackberry jam fruit. In fact, I think there's a fruit on one of these now. Let's have a look to see. Oh yeah, there's one. Where is it? Oh, another one. Where is it? There. We've also got some miracle fruit bushes here. I'm saying bush because they are so small. But bizarrely, these actually produce very well with just a bit of urine. We haven't been peeing on them recently, so there's no fruits. But if we started peeing on them again, I'm sure we'd have a lot of fruits. So now we are just above the citrus field. And here is one of the orange trees with the fruit on it. Got some nice cane here to mix with your citrus. And some mulberry trees, bananas, dead chonta, alive chonta, papayas. This papaya has very small fruits. Don't know if they're good. So some of the citrus trees look like this, and some of them look like that. So, yeah. It's fun. I believe this one is grapefruit. It's hard to remember who's who in here. And got a coconut over there. I think there are some papayas down here. Let's see if we can find them. Oh yes, there we go. Here's a little baby papaya. So these are our garden beds. And it's a little extension of some root crops. Over there we've got a lot of Zanahoria blanca, corn, some taro over there, turmeric, a little lettuce, some tomatoes just there, okra, basil, and then where I'm standing is the jelly palm. And now here we are at the newest papaya field. Unfortunately this papaya field was not particularly successful. You can see there's a lot of empty space here due to papaya death. Papaya looks to be dying. But behind us we have these beautiful peanut butter fruit trees. A whole row of them. They're getting rather large. We'll have to start pulling the branches down. Now here we are at the trellis. This side doesn't look too good. This is the purple Borneo passion fruit, which unfortunately got diseased, died back. Now it's kind of growing back, but not too well. We have a Sacha Inchi here. And if we walk down here, there's a maracuya. I don't remember what this is, but it looks interesting. And a bunch of Padea. I believe there's another Sacha Inchi somewhere, but oh, that's that side over there. Here, bunch of Padea. We've actually just missed the peak of the Padea, I think, because then we were getting like 5 to almost 10 a day, I think. It was insane. And I do not remember what I planted here. I hope that this is the thing that was planted and not a weed. Yeah, these are massive. And right here we have the new nursery. I won't give you a whole tour of the nursery, but here's a little look. Here we are in the sugarcane field, and there are people doing things. Hello people. Bunch of brillinias here. Bodacaba. We're doing things. And a pie with fruit. Bodacaba that has been eaten by leafcutter ants. And there's these massive queen palms. They're so big. It's hard to see how big they are, but like, look. Look at this. Insane. Soursop here. The queen palm. And then jackfruit. More jackfruit and soursop. Some Relinia through there. Chanta. So we're just walking down the water lane at the moment. Just leaving Queens. That's the area there. There's a little cut through to Papaya Field. But I think we'll continue this way and return to Papaya Field later. It's a secret mandarin tree. Don't tell anyone. Another papaya. This papaya looks quite healthy actually. The other one didn't look too good. And here we have the graviolins. Nice big leaves. Bit skinny, but the leaves look good. And we have a Borneo meringue here. Again, skinny but big leaves. So now we're just above Aritoville. Aritoville's in there. Got a Chonta here. Look at those roots. Oh my gosh. Insane. I'm hoping to find a canister over here. Is this my canister? Oh, I think it might be, yeah. Looks a bit messed up, but okay. Oh, and there's a tamarind here. I had no idea. I need to come down here more often. Yeah. It's quite small, but all of our tamarinds are quite small still. Is that another one? Wow. Yeah, again, very small. They are very good at getting weed whacked. So I suspect that's why at least this one is small. You can see like it's kind of messed up here. So it's pretty weed whacked. What's in here? Oh, another tamarind. Wow. Oh, and another tamarind. Oh, this is great. Yes. Again, it's small, but it's probably the biggest one we have actually. Yeah, this actually looks kind of healthy. We've been struggling to keep the tamarinds healthy, so it's nice to see. Now let's go into Aritoville. Oh. Whew. That sky coming out. Yeah, there has been a little gap of an hour or two while my phone recharged. Oh, beautiful sunlight. So, where are we going? I think we are looking for a lychee. Ooh, just noticed that there are cables on the ground, so I'm going to be careful not to stand on the cables. There's the lychee. I'm honestly half expecting to see a fruit on here because it seems like everything I air layer, as soon as I take the air layer off, they decide to fruit. But there is not one. Don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but yeah, it looks nice. It's definitely grown since I was last here, which was only a month or two ago. Yeah, nice looking lychee. There are more bananas. It's Doritoville, so you know, there are going to be a lot of Dorito bananas. I think there were Relinia here. Oh, yeah, there's one Relinia. Just there. That's Relinia. So, more Jaboticaba. Chanta. That's a Sonquoia down there. Just there. I think that's another Sonquoia. Then maybe that's not Sonquoia. They both look the same. Maybe we have two. Got two peanut butter fruits here. I think they are two different types. Do I remember the scientific names? No. Okay, she looks nice. Got the cacao here with vanilla growing up it. So vanilla and chocolate together again. They should be. Jackfruit tree there. See another pie, some chanta with fruits on it. Another Jaboticaba. Jaboticaba. Some bananas. So here we have a rather large coconut. Well, in comparison to the other one, definitely not tall, but it's big. And expecting to see a canistel here. Yes, there it is. More canistel down there, and they continue up here. Some jackfruits. That's there, some bananas. Another canistel and a little bit overgrown. Let's see if we can get through with a peanut butter fruit here. Mulberry bush. And hot peppers here. Oh, there's a ripe one. What are these? These are kind of like habaneros. And here we have canistel aurea. These ones are very round. Like a little donut. I don't know. Cute. And, which way should we go? Let's go up first. Banana here. Here we have some more garden beds. Some taro. This one looks empty. Over there there's spinach and some hot peppers there. Let's go look at the loofah. And there are people walking up. It's fun timing. We have loofah, winged beans, people. Maybe just climbing all the way up here. So these little loofahs, you can see one up there. I don't know if there are any others further down, but those are edible. Once they get big, they taste very bad, but when they're still quite small, kind of like a, I don't know, like a courgette or a cucumber. Oh. Nice and sunny now. This here is Ross Sapote. It doesn't have any fruits on yet, but if we come over here to Trompo, lots and lots of fruits. I don't know if you can see because of the sun. Let's up a little bit. Oh yeah, this section has a few. Look at those. Ooh. Yeah, that damage you see. We have some wasps that like eat the kind of cells while they're still on the tree. So that's them trying to do that. But hopefully these are mostly good. Over there we have a nice soursop tree. With rather large soursop here. We've had 2 very big soursops recently off this tree. Have a rambutan here. This is a young rambutan from Borneo, I believe. Over here, this is also a rambutan from Borneo, planted at the same time. Yeah, I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. Big patch of turmeric here. And we've got this vine, which looks dead, but that used to be a wild nut. So now we're at the platform. We have some citrus here, some Rollinia, pineapples, big lemon tree, and I believe this is water apple. If it's not, I'm sure Jason will comment on this video and tell me what it is. Yeah. Looks pretty big and happy. In fact, do I see flowers? I think I see flowers. I think I see flowers. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. What the? I don't know how to zoom in on this. Can I zoom in? Oh, I can. Look at those. Yes.